You disappeared. Not because you gave up, but because you got tired of being seen. Before you were ready. This isn't motivation. This isn't hype. This is the silence that builds weapons. You're not lost. You're just no longer begging to be understood. You're focused, locked in, alone, on purpose. This channel is for those who've already suffered in silence, who don't need permission to rebuild, who train while unseen, and bleed with no audience. Here, we don't post every move. We become every move. Discipline over dopamine, silence over spectacle, reinvention over reputation. We disappear, not to hide, but to evolve. We don't prove them wrong. We prove ourselves right. So if this finds you, you already know. Disappear, rebuild, return dangerous, InnMotus.